During the machine purchase process, tooling is an often overlooked piece of the puzzle. By thinking about the tooling right from the start, however, shops can cut machine payback time by as much as an entire year. Starting early in the process, we work with machine tool distributors to integrate a tooling package into the machine purchase. After the distributor orders the tooling certificate for the customer, Sandvik Coromant representatives visit the customer to choose, order, and install the tooling products best suited for the application.
We utilize the tooling certificate. We try and use it on every machine tool that we sell. The ease of working with the customer and Sandvik makes it an asset for both of us, a win-win. If we implement it right out of the front, the customer has the right to use it as maybe a tax write-off or a justification.
In addition to reducing runoff complications and providing potential tax benefits, wrapping tooling and accessories into the machine purchase makes for more streamlined financing and budgeting. Tooling certificates help machine tool partners and machine tool distributors provide added value for their customers while lessening the burden of intensive engineering and application support.
In big turnkeys, if you had to spec out every tool and every assembly, you're going to put an engineer on that for months at a time. Where Sandvik, we can call on them and they work hand in hand with us as a partner to take that load off of our engineers so we can concentrate on the other stuff like the programming and fixturing and location and robots.
Flexibility is another bonus.
We can order the machine, get the machine spec, order the tooling certificate. We don't have to spec exactly what tool we're going to buy at that particular moment. As the machine is getting close to being delivered and the customer figures out we're going to run this part, this is the first part we're going to run, then we can start ordering on that. And Sandvik, up and above the competition, makes that a lot easier than anyone else.
Fast shipping, state-of-the-art productivity centers, and cutting-edge technologies and insights make Sandvik Coromant a valuable tooling partner. In the end, the benefits of Sandvik Coromant tooling certificates boil down to keeping customers ahead of the pack through smart planning and innovative, applicable technologies.
Part of our responsibility is working with the customer and getting them the best process and machine and capital equipment that they can so they're competitive throughout not just the United States but the world. And Sandvik is a big part of that. We get them involved as early as we can.
To learn more, contact your local Sandvik Coromant representative.